Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here, where have you been? I'm judging you right now. Shout out to my regulars. Keep liking, commenting, and sharing. I love you all. About zap, 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 zap. Yabba, 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 yabba. Whenever. Yadlala. Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. I know. Another day, another Shein haul. Yeah, one thing about me, shopping excites me. I love shopping. I'm sure you know that by now. Let's unbox. This is for my cousin. I'm not going to unbox it. Oh, okay, look, green we are keep olive. So this is for my cousin. First 264. Let me just take out. Oh, okay, I think I love. This is mine, I think. Oh, this is for my champ. I bought for my champ as well a cute little dress. I go. Senkuli dress. 5 years though. 5 years, but this one is too big. I thought it would be very small. But okay. It's a nice cute dress. You know, they like going, they turn around, and then yeah, those type of things. Hi, let's get it cool. Nasa semnyama kafu. Where? Okay, but the focus is on me. So I got myself work clothes. One a little blue. Oh, a little blue pupile. I'm blue give you. Nabo? Kodwa kungawala ama-pearls ngizoba ubani, ngizoba yini nkosi yami. Nami ngiyave ngiyithanda izinto. Usayizi bani konje lo? Did I buy small or medium? Because I know I bought medium because the bust is always a problem with me. But la kuzoba kulilengana. Hey! Uphila kissing property. This is it. I think I don't ulo blue lo gqamile. Not ogqamile, but ilo baby powder blue, baby blue ongathi. But it's okay. Akekho bad yena ne. Sofunela blue le navy blue. It's my cracks. Yeah. Summer is not ready for me. Summer is not ready for me, Gesana. Ebo? Very nice. I think I like it. And then my jacket is unbox later. Oh, okay. I think this is the cap that I got. Hey, oh, it's stocking. Ngithenge ne-stocking ke sana bengitsho ukuthi ngizothenga nama-boots kwasho ukuthi awuhambanga kahle. Hela isimo somnotho. Oh, okay. Uyashayina kamnandi book. Shine bright like a diamond. Ngizogqoka i-stocking angazi sengiyaphi ke manje. I just want this video to be less than 30 minutes. Ooh, and what's this? Oh, I bought this and then after sengithengile ne. After sengithengile, I realized it's an aircon remote in London. Because the aim for this one was to buy for my TV. Yeah, because I use a plastic. You know, like people you understand. So I don't know if this will work though. Kwenzekile. Kunamatheleni. Oh. Sibona kuzonela. If ingane we angazi nca. Uyanwebeka. Uyanwebeka. Ngcono ukhipha le plastic bese inganeli. Ayanela. Hu. Khona there's I understand why people like other people understand me why I put this plastic. You know, when you know, you know. So this one is for an aircon apparently. But I need it. Oh, I think, is this the front? Or this is the back? Because angifuni ukuthi ngimosheke lana. Ayi, ngizobona. Ngizobona ukuthi ngizowenza njani mase ngikhiphile when I remove this plastic of mine. Ne? Please don't judge me. I know it doesn't suit me. It doesn't really look like me. Ukuthi ke sitheze ijekezi, but okay, we move. And then, ooh, I bought a night dress. Hey, mangangithenga medium, ngithenga i-night. Ooh, hayi inkulu ke le. Mina ngikho this big. I should have bought small. Because I'm not this big, I mean. Am I big like this? No. It's very big. But the here it will fit. But yayazi inkinga yami ukuthi ihapa noon. And then here it's very small. But it's a night dress. It doesn't have to ubamba me like that. Kodwa le inkulu mama. Way batata madu. But it's fine. I'll manage it like that. Let me just put that aside. And then what is this now? Eh? Oh, and yes, I remember now. I bought I bought this a gown. Yes. Ihamba nalento yabo. Ihamba nale night dress. Like vacation vibes. Let's go. Let's go to vacation. Nami ngibukeke kangcono. Yes, at least in some medium because I know myself here it can be a problem. So I'm happy it's so silky and all that. So just the way it's supposed to be. Yes, Kelly. Hey. Washa. Yabo, but just picture me in this. In a vacation. I say nkulu we batata maduma ngizwenza njani? Ngicabanga ukuthi small uzoba mncane kakhulu. Hey, manje lo medium naye ngathi wow. Hey, kodwa ke senza ngathi asiboni. We'll manage it like that. Yes. It's a night dress, it's not a lingerie. Okay, relax. But again, so oh small. How small ongaka? Pho ngabe ngithenga medium ubezoba ngakanani? Ukuthi ama-size amakhulu. Okay. Ooh, I like the packaging now. I bought shoes. I love shoes. You know me. You should know me by now. Shoes are my favorite. So today, that time I was like, you know what? You deserve white shoes. Like corporate-ish. It's a co-bagged. Akusafihlwa manje. Because I wanted to buy summer shoes. I was like, no, relax, girl. Relax. It's not that deep. You've got a lot of summer shoes. At least I was bumping ale. I hope you're male. I'll say it's 5 minutes. I hope it says because anything I color, I'll cry for 40 days and 40 nights. Okay. Okay, hi. It's my bones. Hey, ang sang basang kadang kapsang. Imbashi layer. Oh. Aibo. Tingbegalan. Hey. Ngimbashi just focus on what we are looking at. Yes, okay. Yes. Washa. Hey. Yay, ninabotisha. Aibo. Nidlala ngathi. Yes. Abari zap. Yaba. Okay, I told you I like shoes. So I misbehave sometimes. All the time. Yeah, so I love it for me. Yeah. I'll rock this. I understand why ngibashile ngoba mina ngigqobisile. But asikho lapho ne. Please don't judge me. Oh, I love you. What a beauty. I just thought, let me just buy a white shoe. I wanted to buy a blue shoe just to match this. I was like, no, relax. We are not there yet. Okay. Okay, I love the shoes. I love Shein shoes actually. Nowadays you can't convince me otherwise to buy shoes anywhere else apart from Shein. My go-to used to be legit. Legit, yeah. Nowadays they sell those kitty things. No, it ain't for me. And then I got myself, oh, okay. And this is medium. Small because these days ngathi I'm blessed. Okay. I want the detail. Yes. I want to be that girl. I want to be that corporate girly that is taking her life very serious. Yes. It's giving me. And I thought it is over shiny, but I don't. But I think I like this material. Oh, wow, it's good. I love it. Summer, here I come. Summer was never ready for me. And then what else? What is this now? Oh, i-tracksuit. Mangelo manje. I'm legit in my thoughts. I'm like, girl, I bought myself a medium akasemkhulu smakade. I got medium. So I said, you deserve a tracksuit. Ayinamakhukhu. Zobe ivuvuzela mosle. But ngizobona. Because ngiqala ukuthi tight manje. Yabona i-tracksuit must be very comfortable. So yeah, I like the material. I think, yeah, I like the material. It's good. This is the sweater. And then where's the side of the down part of it? Again, we'll find it. And then what is this now? As sometimes I forget what I. Oh, those are my working don. Did I buy small? Because this looks like small. Yeah, I bought small because it's stretchy. I hope it will accommodate my. But as long as there is no buttons, it will accommodate me. To accommodate, so it's a twin pack. Yabo. Brown is the new. Hey, dollar brown lo. Mina ngiyamnyama. Mbona brown lo uthe. Yabo. But scarce is out in ebantwini. So I really focused on work clothes this time around because I've been wearing, trying to manage. I like it. The material is so good. Eh? It's so good. So I can still wear it in summer and in winter. Yeah, fine. Yeah, I like it. And then who are you now? Oh, I bought another top again, the brown one. Hey, now low brown being high low puppy. Yabo, low chocolate, caramel, whatever. Yabo, this is the brand that was high low brown on to puppy. This is what I was looking for. And what is it? What size is this? This looks like a small or a medium. A medium. Oh, we should medium bezobangcono. Leya ngazi ukuthi izonginelana. But yabo, low brown bengiwufuna hayi lo wona uyangithusa. Phela mina oh, this is for my cousin. She bought 2 dresses. Yabo. For my cousin, this one and this one. Yay! Uzosileya phela lo muntu. Uthengile ugirl. These are hairs I'm not going to unbox because they are not mine. Let me not take credit. Wait, it's not due. Hi, Bonin. Mina bengithi this is a full set. Bengithi i-set mos ehamba nebhlukwe. Kanti ehamba i-tracksuit ihamba kuyini? Mina ngizoyenzani ngale nto le? So manje ngiyofuna ibhlukwe lebhlukwe manje. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna make it rising stars and embroidered. Ngihlakaniphile. Kodwa angihlakaniphanga because that time I thought ngizobuya ne-tracksuit enebhlukwe le-track pant. Hawu! Imihlola. Okay ke hamsa. Yo, ngaze nga-defeated webantu. Mangitshe ngijabule kanti ngina-tracksuit kube ngabe ngihambe ngayithengela lapha ngase-Choice mas. Because A1 be 264. This thing. What a waste. Hayi-ke le jacket nayo le amakhaza azongishaya. Ayisashwabe. Okay, this is medium for sure. It should be medium because you know the story, the bust story is the problem. I hope it's on net. Otherwise, in tongues we can. Okay. Yeah. You see? Small wing gaza. Ubuzovala but izoba kanje ingavaleki. Sinenkinga eziningi thina abanye abantwana. Namakhukhu. Yes, namakhukhu. Look at that. Yes. Move. Oh, ivulele nasemuva bakithi. Hobby. Okay, it's not bad. Just that mina ngimnyama nje. But we'll manage it. I like it. Hi, iwinter izobe ibuzo kumina. Yadlala. Hey, guys, anas. Phela mina ngithi if you know me, you know, I'll just buy one thing and change colors. So that's what I did. I got a burgundy. A burgundy color. Same design, but different color. If you know, you know. The aim is to wear these things and go home and sleep. And go to work and come back and sleep. Yeah, but so I bought the same color, the same design, but the same color. Let me not confuse you. I was like, just buy a burgundy because you don't really have this color in your wardrobe. Excuse me, come on this side because I have a spill this side, so I need to see myself. Okay, it's not bad. I can manage it. Yes, but a red one would have slept. But even this color is giving about shooting. Yeah, but ooh. Yes, Kelly. Yes. Okay, and then we move on to the next. This is the black one. So I was just playing with colors this time around. Ooh, so big, very big. The black one. This one is a different design. Small. I took a leap of faith. Ooh, and that is a good leap of faith because medium was going to be very big book. Aina pande. Nali pande. Fine. Oh, the material is good. Maria shine kancane. You understand? Lento ishayinayo ngizona. But kitla diyajwanga. Dizawuthini ebantwini. So I was like, I don't really have a black coat. There was one that I wanted, but it was like in Wanganjin. So I was like, you know what, girl? Because this one you can wear it in chal. About Yindemus. Oh, this is my mic. I didn't see. Abo. Or you don't have to copy it like that. Just open it like this and be a boss. You get it? See? That's a win. 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 Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you like it. Sleek. Yes. Yes, I like it. I think that will be it for the clothes. I didn't buy a lot. And then this is for the car. Yay! First time drivers. There was a time I drove and it was raining heavily. I couldn't see at the time. I was not educated. And when it's raining, you turn on the heater. Then the keep that thing, that mist and don't off or whatever. Hello. Iyanetha imvula like kumhlophe lapha escreenini. It's white. Ngapha on the camera. On ipili lapha esayidini ku hazy. Akubonakali driver ngibile ngithi ngingaboni ngidriver ngomusa ka Father God ngithi way. So this is waterproof, water resistant for the car. So you just peel it. Probably I'll do a video peeling it and putting the thing and then pour water and you see they'll just drop and the mirrors will be clear, still be clear, and you will see wherever you're going. So this is a need. And then I bought two in case anti-fog film yabo kuthi njani macro nano coating don't pad pasting installation tutorials. Yes, so this is a rain proof film, so you just put it there. So I bought two because I didn't know which one will work. So I think this one looks professional, more professional. I'll take this one. They take their life serious abo which is layer protection structure diagram at the back. They are showing us ukuthi izo bonakala kanjani. Review mirror. Oh, you'll forever be famous, Shein. Oh, son, you'll forever be famous. And then, oh yes, this is for because angazi ngiyaphi, but khona la ngiyakhona. Yayiva? Angazi ngiyaphi nami, but khona la ngiyakhona. For your hair, if you have braids, long hair, weave, whatever, and then you put it in. Ooh, that's in get lawyer, but results. Oh, it's nice. Whenever. Hey. Yeah, but it's matching with my yayiva ngiplane i-vacation engayazi ukuthi ngizoyikhokhela ngani. And then I bought this one for my champ as well because when you have new things and then they see you, they want as well. So yeah, I bought her this. Angazi uphephulo onjani lo, ngize ngithi ulayilekhi lo, base ngathi le ngabantu abadala kind of like it cool. Well, yeah. And then what's this for? Oh, I got 100 pieces of floss ndondon. So in terms of floss, dental floss, smooth, clean care, deep care. Goshin. Yes. And then they gave me two what? Oh wow, I like it. I love it. Oh, la ngihamba now. Oh, ngenzenjani? I don't know. But ngiyabonga. Singavula mhlawumbe awasebenzisi. Kodwa ngeke ngiflose phambi kwakhe. Avula kanjani-ke mase kunjena wesinqakade? Hey, ngizowaphula-ke manje. And I know it's not that difficult. It's just a me problem. Hey, ngizobheka lapha ku. Awuba ngisizile yazi. Kusho ukuthi ngithole amanye yabo. 100 pieces plus these two. Very cute. And then what is this? Oh, I got myself a keyring. Caring. Oh, God is within her. She will not fail. Look at that. Beautiful. I like it. I love it. Oh my God. God is within her. She will not fail. Niasmus. It is by the grace of God. Here's what. Praise Him. And then this is windshield crack repair kit. It's for your windscreen, car windscreen. My windscreen is not cracked or anything like that, but you may never know. Pillow. Not saying anything, but you should get this. It angazi bathi yenze njani. Yeah, repair. So I want to experiment ngempela. So yeah, this is other guy. Ngicela ukuthi asengisebenzise lento le emotweni yakhe ngibone ukuthi uzorepair na. Yes, girlie. I'll keep this one. And then what's this now? Oh, now it's the car couple things. So this is for the car. Ne, to put my glasses. Yabo? My glasses. Angiboni mina vele mangishayela or noma ngashayela noma ngihambela ngigqoke izibuko. Angiboni style. So ngithanda ijemu nje la. Ngithanda ukubukwa la. Ngiyakutshela. Ayikho lento engiyithengele yona lento. Nje just nje ngiyathanda nje ukumosha imali. And then lena yona yini manje. Oh, it's for the car again. Hey, excuse me guys. Hey, kuningo Emmanuel. So I have another, so I don't know. I'll use this one. It has many pots. Ngiyayifaka nje ngixhuma yonke into engifuna ukuyixhuma kwa USB ngiyaxhuma but I oh nice it's the time. Yeah, xhuma whatever that I want to xhuma here, I'll xhuma it. Charger and whatever that I want to xhuma there. And then last but not least, I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for this hard work. I want to thank me for everything, Baba. Putting everything before me. Okay, and this one is for the lights. See, I'm a light in front of your car, then you chucha them, you sula them in a spongy. Wow, I like the packaging. You clean it gently, shake the products, mabesho, and then ensure uniform internal warawara. Then you gcobisa it, sula it, wipe. Azoshayina amalayithi angathi imoto intsha. Ayiva. So I wanted to experiment. I want to experiment that using this product. Let me take it out for you because wow, you're gonna say I'm gatekeeping. But it is a car lamp recover. And then removal of yellowing. Yeah, if your car is getting yellowish, but my lights are not yellow. But yeah, but I'm funa ukubona umehluko, yabo? The before and the after, guess. And yes, girl. So I think I'm ready for you, baby. It's going to be fun. I'm experimenting a lot with that car because I pray for you. Oh, I cry for you. I guess we're here now. Anyway, good people, that is it for today. That is my Shein haul. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. It wasn't that fun, but bengicabanga ukuthi ngizoyenza le ethi yabo ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyanqena bakithi ngikhathele angikhathele kodwa ngiyangikhathele. Yeah, so please tell me what you think about my products. What do you like from this Shein haul, and the things that you can advise me next time when I want to purchase again, because I'm a Shein girlie. I love shopping. Shopping is very therapeutic, and you should try it. Don't deprive yourself of nice things, huh? Yes, do your investment, save and all that, but do not forget yourself. You are just bless the body that works. Anyway, see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.